Hey, what's up, XRP holder? It's a really good news, my friend, for all XRP holders, because after a very long time, the price is starting increasing now. So congratulations, all of you, to this time XRP completely and the profit now, my brother. One thing more, brother, I want to tell you in the same time, all cryptocurrencies very badly, my friends, pair is down, especially from last 24 hours. But the current condition is going to be very good now. So I hope, my brother, they will also move upward. But currently, that's all. Just and only, my friend, need your, my friend, focus to you. If you are hold, so I hope, my brother, they will move upward now. And I will give you 100% guarantee, my brother. So in the start of month, you can see here, everybody knows this too. In the start of month, they will fall down. But definitely, my friend, at the mid of month, they will starting moving upward and they will give you a very good profit now. So I hope, my brother, in upcoming time there is a lot of chances to XRP will give you a profit. This time, my brother, the price change occurring 4.45%, and just in only last 24 hours. And if you check out, my friend, this time the highest price, so 0.6 USD dollar, and absolutely, my friend, the same time this is the highest point. So I hope, my brother, the price is continuously hour by hour, minute by minute increasing, but that all possible if you hold it. So XRP holder, if you can say, my brother, there is a lot of chances they will move upward in upcoming time, but just in only, my friend, they will take a one jump. I hope, my brother, but they will hit again, my friend, 1 USD dollar. So let's see to what they do. But my friend, you know, especially in these days, the price is very fastly increasing now. I don't know why, but this is the reality, my brother. So it's mean, my brother, so this coin is completely give you a profit. So if you collaborate, so I hope, my brother, you will get a more and more profit now. See you next time, holder. Please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.